everybody. So we're going to do a review today. As most of you know that's watched my channel, you see that I have quite a few birds in incubators. I purchased this one twice off of Amazon. This will be the third one that I have purchased. Turn some lights on. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a full review, and I'm going to show you everything that's in this package. And it's not really a name brand. You can do geese, eggs, quail, turkey. It is manufactured in China. When I first bought this one, it was around $100, and it's a model 18H. Here's the instruction booklet. Relatively simple. Has a D shaft on it, a small gear that's internal. The lid unscrews from the dome. And this is a complete breakdown. I don't know how well you guys can see this. Try to get up close with it a little there. But it shows everything about the incubator. The complete assembly, your setup, all your functions. On this paper, relatively straightforward. First box we have out here, power supply. Here, turn this up, take the styrofoam and the internal components out. Now I do keep my boxes for these because the fact is when we are done hatching, we store them away. Get this first out of this pack here. One of the bottles, this is probably about, I would say 10, maybe 12 ounces. The bottles, which are used for your humidity. There's your other bottle, so you get two that comes with it. There's the screw-on caps for it. Here is your gear that goes internally. And just good thing is if you lose those, don't panic. They're about $6 or $7 on Amazon. You can use something like Google Lens and find them again. Cool thing is they also send you a marker to mark your eggs for your baits and stuff like that. Also comes with a brush and the power cord for this guy here. Now, here's the trays. This is for the geese eggs. This is for pretty much everything else. You can fit turkey eggs in here. You can fit chicken. You can do quail in here. I would say the quail eggs are probably so small. You could probably do 36 in here, which, you know, is good. Take these two trays out of here, and then there's your turner, and then the bottom of your where your water reservoir is at. Now, when you start out at the beginning doing the 50% humidity, I usually use when you're looking at it this way, I use the A side, and that reason why is you can control the humidity a little bit different when you have a little bit amount of water in there. Now, this comes in screwed on. I'm going to pop it off. There's a notch on the window here that tells you where to line this up. There's a notch here. You put that in. Place. Let me put my gear on while I got this open. Now when you put it in, there is a notch that shows unlocked and one lock. When you're going to put it on, obviously you put it on the unlock and then you turn it and you'll hear it snap in place. Sometimes you got to be pretty firm with it. There's also an adjustment up here for your humidity. And your controls up here on top. It's relatively simple. I'm not going to go through too much of that. But you can do Fahrenheit and Celsius, your settings. You also have a candler on top here. If you hold the negative button down, the candle will come light up, and you can use that when it's time to candle your eggs. So I've already got geese eggs, turkey, chicken, all that going. I'm going to actually start some more chicken eggs, so I put the chicken tray in there. You can fill both of these up if you want, depending on your climate. Some humidity might be a little lower where you're at, so you might need to run both of them. With mine, I started out using the first one and keeping it about 50%. Sometimes it'll vary here and there. Now, my past experience with the first one I purchased, the power supply went out. And I don't know if it was the power supply was being cheap or it was a surge, but it has a model number on the back here, so if your power supply ever fails, they're about 20 bucks to purchase another one. So just give you that information. Now I will link this in the description of the video if you would like to purchase this item. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not making any money off of it, but I want to give you honest reviews. And if you got something from this video and it helps you out for your choice of getting a incubator for not a lot of money, because right now these are going for about 50 bucks and it's pretty well built. Like I said, I've got 2 of them and I use them. I've had pretty good results. With that being said, let me know what kind of incubator you use. If there's something that maybe I should check out. However, I'm not a big, huge operation like some of these YouTube guys. I'm not going to be giving this one away. This is my own personal use. Maybe one day when I become a millionaire, we can do all that stuff. But for now, I appreciate you taking your time to watch the video. Hit the like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And we will be bringing you some more content very soon.